Welcome to GlowBabytv. GlowBabytv.
The sun is rising, and it's time for a brand new day. Let's wake up gently with our friends. See the friendly sun? It's saying hello to everyone. Let's stretch our arms up high towards the sun.
Good morning, Sami. Let's stretch. Mama is here too. Watch her stretch up, up, up. Can you stretch with Sami and Mama?
Great job, Sami! Stretch, stretch, stretch! Feel your body waking up with the sun!
Stretch!
Now let's do a big, wide stretch. Open your arms like a big, warm hug for the morning.
A big, wonderful stretching, Sami. You and Bunny are morning champions. Now let's say something special.
Wide stretch!
After our stretch, we say, good morning. Can you say it with Mama?
Good morning.
Let's help Sami say it. Ready? Say it loud so the sun can hear you.
Good. More.
There it is! A perfect good morning! Let's all say it together one more time.
Good morning.
Fantastic! Say good morning to your family. Say it to your toys. It's a happy way to start the day.
Good morning.
Sami is all awake now. He's saying good morning to the sun, the sky, and the whole world.
Good morning, sun.
What a good stretch.
Good morning, everyone.
What a great morning stretch. We woke up, we stretched, and we said good morning.
Great work. Let's remember. Wake up. See the sun.
Stretch high, stretch wide. Say good morning.
Easy. Oh, what was that sound? After all that waking up, someone might be getting a little hungry. Tummy.
I think it's time for a little snack. And snack time is the perfect time to learn two very magic words.
Time for a snack?
Here we are in the kitchen. Look at those tasty snacks. Who wants a yummy snack?
Look, Sami. A crunchy apple. Sami sees the cookie. He wants it right now. But first, we need to learn the magic word. Cookie. Want cookie. The magic word is please.
The first magic word is please. It's a little word that makes asking so nice. Can you say it with Sami? Let's try it together. Ready?
Can you say please? Please.
Please?
Wonderful. You said the magic word. Please is so polite. Great job, Sami.
When we say please, good things happen. Mama is happy to give Sami the cookie.
Yes, because you said please. Here you go.
Sami remembers his friend Bunny. Maybe Bunny would like a little snack too. It's nice to share.
Bunny, snack.
Ow, Sami is sharing with Bunny. He's giving Bunny a pretend little bite. Good sharing, Sami.
For Bunny, share.
Mama is so proud. Now she has the juicy red apple. What should Sami say if he wants some apple?
Good. What's the magic word?
He remembers the magic word. Let's all say it together to help him. Ready? Say please.
Please. Apple, please.
Perfect. Using our manners feels so good, doesn't it? And here is the apple. Mama gives it to Sami because he asked so nicely.
Of course. Here is some apple for you.
Now there's a second magic word. When someone gives you something, you say thank you.
Now can you say the other magic word? Thank you.
Let's practice together. When I give you something, you say thank you. Ready? Say it with Sami. Say.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you. That makes Mama's heart feel so happy. What good manners. Please and thank you are the best friends of manners. They always go together.
You are so welcome, Sami. Good job.
Share, Bunny.
Yummy! Sami enjoys his snack, and he's still sharing with Bunny. Our snacks are almost gone. We had please, we had thank you, and we had share. What should we do now?
All done. That was a good snack.
Let's remember our magic words. Want something? Say please.
Please.
Get something? Say thank you.
Thank you.
And always remember to share.
Share.
Sami's tummy is full and his heart is happy. After a fun snack, it's a perfect time for something calm and cozy.
All done.
Let's go to our special cozy corner. It's a perfect place for a quiet, happy time together.
Let's go.
We walk softly to our special spot. We're getting our bodies and voices ready for a story.
Quiet corner.
We sit down nice and cozy. Mama has a beautiful book. Are you ready to hear a story?
Let's get Shh.
The first thing we do for a story is use our quiet voice. Can you say quiet?
Shh. We need to be quiet.
Good job, Sami.
Quiet.
Our voices are soft like a cloud. Our bodies are still.
Quiet.
Next, we use our ears.
We.
Listen. Can you point to your ear and say listen?
And we use our ears too. Listen. Listen. Ears. Sami is ready to listen. Bunny's ears are up too. We are quiet and we are ready to listen.
Now, the story begins. Let's look at the first page. What do you see on the page?
Once upon a time.
Sami sees the moon. He's using his quiet voice and listening eyes. Good job, Sami.
Moon. Pretty.
Let's turn the page. The story continues. The little bird is sleeping. Shh, let's be quiet for the bird. Sleep, bird.
Quiet.
Turn the page. Good morning, bird. The sun is up. Can you make a quiet chirping sound? Perfect quiet chirping, Sami. You're listening to the story and using your soft voice.
Tweet. Tweet.
The end. What a beautiful, quiet story. We were so quiet and we listened so well. Sami feels calm and happy. Reading together is a wonderful way to practice being quiet and listening.
Good story. Quiet.
Let's remember, story time mean quiet voices, listening ears, and looking at each page. We feel so calm after our story. Now, let's look around our cozy room. What do we see?
Oh, some toys are still out. They look like they want to go back to their home. Block. Car.
I have a fun idea. Let's have a tidy up race. Can Sami and Bunny put the toys back before the tidy song ends?
A tidy up race.
Ready, set, go. Sami, let's tidy up. First, find the red block. Can you pick it up?
Go. Tidy up.
Got it. The first toy is in his hands. Now, let's see Auntie. How many? 1. You got it. 1 block. Run, Sami, run. Take the block to the toy box. We put back the toys in their home.
Put it back in the box.
Yes, block is back. 1 toy is tidy. Great job, Sami. What's next?
Put back. Bye-bye, block.
Next toy. I see the blue car. Can you pick up the car? Let's keep tidying.
Car. Blue car.
2 toys. Now we have the block and the car. Let's count them.
1, 2.
You have 2 toys.
1, 2.
2 toys to put back. Let's take them both to the box. Hurry! The tidy race is going fast.
2. Put back.
Perfect! T2O toys are back in the box. The floor is getting cleaner. Can you see another toy?
Well done. 2 toys are tidy.
Look under the chair. A green ball. That's 3 toys we need to tidy up.
Ball. Green ball.
He's got the ball. Now we have 3 toys to count. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3.
This is the last one. Take the ball to the box. Put it back with the others. We're almost done. 3. Ball put back.
And in it goes. All 3 toys are put away. The floor is clean. Great tidying.
Yes, the ball is back. Clean floor.
Sami finished the tidy race. He picked up 1, 2, 3 toys and put them all back.
All done. Tidy.
What a fantastic helper! For such good tidying, Sami gets a special reward. A shiny helper sticker. Look at this beautiful sticker. It says Helper R because Sami helped clean up. There, the helper sticker is on Sami's shirt. Now everyone can see what a great helper he is.
Sticker. My sticker.
Sami wants to show Bunny his special sticker. He's sharing his happy news with his best friend.
Look, Bunny. Helper.
A big hug for the Tidy Up team. Our room is clean, we learned to count, and we got a sticker.
What a great day.
Let's remember our tidy race. Find the toys, count them, put them back, and be a helper.
1, 2, 3. Put back.
We learned so much today with Sami. From our morning to our tidy up race.
Let's say all our words together. First, we said good morning to the sun and did a big stretch to wake up.
Good morning. Stretch.
Then, for our snack, we learned the magic words, please and thank you. And we learned to share.
Please.
For story time, we used our quiet voice and our listening ears to hear every page.
Quiet. Listen.
Finally, we had a tidy up race.
Tidy up. 1, 2, 3. Put
We
back.
counted 1, 2, 3 toys and helped put them back. So many wonderful words and habits. You can practice them every day with your family, just like Sami.
You can do all these things too.
Thank you for learning with us today. Give a big wave goodbye to Sami, Mama, and Bunny.
Goodbye.
We had so much fun building tiny habits with you. Remember to practice being a great helper every day.
Keep growing those tiny habits. If you want to join Sami for more learning and fun, please subscribe to GlowBabytv.
Subscribe, please. In our next video, we'll learn about bath time bubbles and a calm bedtime routine. See you then. We can't wait to see you again.
You did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big hug, just like Sami and Bunny. You are wonderful.
Mwah. Love you, Bunny.
Thank you for watching. Keep glowing and growing, little ones. Until next time, goodbye and sweet dreams. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an adventure with Sami and Bunny. We have so many more tiny habits and English words to learn together. Keep learning. Keep growing.